Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. I've been doing videos for a little over 10 years now. In that case, a lot of my first videos that still, I think, have pretty good information in them are not being watched at all because YouTube, they're just too old for YouTube to want to use them, I guess, or put them up on their lists. Also, YouTube is not paying all that well, so hit that thumbs up and subscribe and all those good things. I appreciate it very much. Also, since I've changed the name on my channel, some of those older ones have my old channel name, things like that on, so I'm just going to kind of cut some of that stuff out, cut some of the talking out, and try and make them a little bit better as far as the editing is concerned. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy my older video here. Here we are underneath, right below the exhaust manifold that comes off the motor here. And all it is on these, there is 3 bolts, 15mm bolts. Pop that one, and you got another one, which you probably can't see yet, on this side, right there. And then you're going to come back towards the back of your truck, and right behind this cross member here, this transmission cross member, there is this, which is actually, it looks like there's a catalytic converter in front of it and a catalytic converter behind it. Anyways, there is, right behind this one is another exhaust gasket that goes right in here, and those head on back to the other catalytic converter. You want to loosen all these, also 15mm. Undo the ones up front up there, and this whole thing is one complete pulls kind of down and forward, and that pops those out of there. Well, hopefully you can see this. This is the gasket you want to put on first, the one that goes behind this first catalytic converter. So we'll get that one on there because I split this apart. The actual flat flange goes pointing up into the actual exhaust manifold, which kind of makes it difficult because if you're not careful it will fall right out of there. But then that is going to go up on there like that. You take this flange, put it up on there, put your bolts in, and you'll have her all buttoned up. Alright, it's the moment of truth here. We'll start her up, see if she's a lot quieter. Unfortunately, it's kind of pathetically quiet, so we'll deal with that at some other point in time. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that and got something out of it. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.